Hey, Israel. Thanks so much for joining this call.
Yeah, bro, it's no problem. I appreciate you getting on with me.
Yeah, I appreciate it. And so for any of you guys watching, Israel, we've actually been messaging each other back on Instagram. He has agreed to do this onboarding call and have it recorded. That way I can make it easier for you guys to get onboarded yourself. So Israel, once again, thank you.
Yes, sir. Let's do it. Let's get myself onboarded.
Hope you guys don't get confused. Yes, both of our names are the same. We're both named Israel, but hopefully you guys will be able to keep track. I just want to ask you really quick, Israel, how did you come across like finding me? And
So, I don't know, I've just been kind of looking for, I guess, something to do for a while. Like, kind of like not really like a side hustle, but obviously something that I can turn into a business. And so,
Mhm.
obviously, I was kind of scrolling through TikTok and I saw a couple of them came up and I was just looking on them through your page. And then after watching a couple of your YouTube videos from the beginner playlist, I was like, hey, let me just shoot this guy a DM on Instagram and see if he'd respond, at least to like kind of explain it and help me onboard. And I mean, here we are.
Cool, man. Yeah, I appreciate it. And I know, like I said before, we were talking to each other on Instagram for a little bit and it sounded like, yeah, you want to start your own online business. And this is the beginning. So very excited. I'm going to try to go through everything with you as clear as possible and concise as possible. We'll try to keep everything efficient, but obviously, because we're going to be using this video call to be helping many others on board, I will be very clear with my instructions and hopefully you'll be able to tag along and everyone else will be able to follow. What we're looking at for everyone watching, this is going to be where everyone's going to start off. This is going to be my landing page, and this is how you guys are going to get your free course. And that free course will basically include this call. I'll have the video split up for you guys to make it way more easier to follow. I'll probably also include the video in its full length version for any of you guys who just want one single video. Okay, Israel, so let's get started. As everyone sees here on the page, there's pretty much two buttons you can click on. One to get your free course, and that also comes with the software, and also to join the private Facebook group. For anyone watching, you can join the private Facebook group before you even sign up, just to see what's going on and ask any questions before. So Israel, why don't you just open up that private Facebook group? All right, everyone. So as you can see, I just created this exclusive Facebook group, and it's going to be for our tight-knit community only. And in order to maintain the exclusivity, anyone is able to join this Facebook group, whether you signed up under me or not. For any of those who aren't signed up yet under me, you're only going to have access to this group for like 60 days. I want to keep this group only to people who are signed up under me, not because I want to say no to anyone. I just want to make sure that we keep the exclusivity and the priorities to those who signed up under me. But of course, you can use those 60 days to kind of see what's going on, ask any questions you can. Well, I'll treat you fairly here. Currently, right now, Israel, who's on the onboarding call with me, he already joined the Facebook group, so he's already currently in it. For you guys who are just joining it, is probably going to ask you 3 questions before you are approved to join the group. All right, man, let's get you that free course and let's get your account all set up. All right, so you're going to have this pop up where you're just basically going to put in your information, and that's what's going to give you access to the free course and get you over the link to create your account. So yeah, just fill out the information. So guys, make sure you actually put in your real phone number and your real email, or else you won't even be able to access the course, which will defeat the entire purpose.